Hello everyone! Today we will talk about the Link Expiration feature. First, click on your application in your control panel. Now click on the config icon to open up common settings. Here on the top left side, you will see the Link Expiration feature. Turn it on. Now select your Link expiration time and date here. For me, I'm selecting the current date and 3 minutes further from my current time. You can put any date and time for you based on your needs. Now save the settings. Now I'm going to copy the streaming link by clicking this icon. Let's open another window and paste the link here and press enter. Here you will see that this link is starting our streaming session. But if we use the same link after my selected expiration time limit, it will tell us that the link has expired and the streaming session will not start. Thanks for watching the video. To know about our Unreal Engine Pixel streaming service, visit our website www.eagle3dstreaming.com or contact our support system. To create an account, go to account.eagle3dstreaming.com/sign up and get a free 7 days trial. Upload your first Unreal Engine project on our Pixel streaming platform for free. Eagle 3D Streaming, it's just easier.